In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a checklist in Slack step by step so you can stay organized, manage tasks, and collaborate more effectively with your team. Slack checklists are perfect for tracking progress, assigning responsibilities, and keeping everything in one place without needing extra tools. If you use Slack daily for work or team communication, this is a feature you'll definitely want to master. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack and navigate to the workspace where you want to create your checklist. This could be a channel, a direct message, or a Slack canvas. For this example, we'll be using a canvas, since it's one of the best places to store shared checklists and documentation. Once you're inside Slack, look at the left side of your interface and open the canvas where you want the checklist to live. If you don't already have a canvas, you can create one directly from the channel by clicking the canvas option. Now that your canvas is open, it's time to create or edit your checklist. If you already have a checklist written out, click directly on it. You'll notice a small 6 dots icon to the left of the checklist items. Go ahead and click on those 6 dots. This icon gives you control over the checklist formatting and structure, and it's where most of the editing options are hidden. Next, you can change the type of checklist you're using. With the checklist selected, look at the formatting options that appear. You'll see options for an ordered list or a bulleted list. Clicking on Ordered List will number your checklist items, which is great for step-by-step processes. Clicking on Bulleted List will switch it to bullet points, which works well for simple task tracking. Choose the format that best fits how you and your team plan to use the checklist. After choosing your list type, you can further customize and edit the checklist. Click into any checklist item to start editing the text. You can add new items by pressing Enter, remove items you don't need, or rewrite tasks to be more specific. Slack also lets you reorganize items easily, so you can move tasks around as priorities change. This is especially helpful for ongoing projects, where tasks evolve over time. You can also use the additional options available in the checklist menu to fine-tune how it looks and works. These options allow you to manage the structure of the checklist and make sure it stays clear and easy to follow for everyone who has access. Once you're done editing, your checklist will automatically save inside the canvas, so there's no need to worry about losing your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized a checklist in Slack. This simple feature can make a huge difference in productivity, especially when working with teams or managing recurring tasks. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Slack tips, productivity hacks, and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.